Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my another new study vlog, and today I am going to share my day 3 of 21 days challenge. And today I woke up around 4:45 a.m. in the morning. Then after that here I started to study civics. Before civics I was studying physics. When I woke up I started to study physics, and I was revising the notes which were given in my coaching, like whatever the part has been taught. But I literally revised for 30 minutes, I guess, because the little bit part was only taught in our coaching, so I revised that. Then after that, in the morning only I helped my mom in kitchen chores and some household chores. Then after that I started to study civics at 7 p.m. and here I was doing the question bank of Oswald, and I was just practicing question and reading the summary, mind maps and all. And the mind map helped me to revise the whole chapter within 5 minutes. Like, it was literally, I was so shocked. It didn't even let me to take my notes book, so it was an good experience of this book. Then after that I have done puja in the morning itself. Nowadays I'm having holidays, so I am having time, so I am doing these things in the morning itself. And this day was also so unproductive because in the evening I have to re-update my Aadhaar card. So I went there, and it literally took 4 and 5 hours in the office. So it was like I wasn't able to study the whole day. Like, whatever I'm studying, I'm sharing it in the vlog, because I have taken one challenge, like 21 days I will upload regularly. So after that here I started to study mathematics, and in mathematics I was doing polynomials. That day, like yesterday, I haven't done real numbers. I have done polynomials because so many days happened. I haven't touched this polynomials chapter. Like, I don't want to forget that. And polynomial is a chapter, like, if we practice so many times, that chapter is literally sound in our mind. So I'm practicing it so much, and I'm practicing through the notes, not notes, the questions which are given in my coaching, and they literally help me. You can also solve question from RD, RS, or any other reference book, or Oswald book you can suggest, or any other book in the market. Then after that, again in the evening, after having my lunch, I started to study biology. And in biology, whatever part had been done, I was studying that only, especially the NCERT reading. Actually, I am doing biology regularly because life processes is a really big chapter, and it takes lot of time to get the chapter. Like, if we do the NCERT reading only, it takes a lot of time. But in NCERT, I haven't done activities and in-text question. I will do in the following week. And nowadays I'm focusing on history also, and this day was totally unproductive, I can say. But the day I'm recording now, this day is going well. I have studied so much from the morning, and now I'm editing and recording this video. Like, in the whole 24 hours I have to manage everything, like studying, going out, and having fun, editing this vlog and all. So it takes time, and it takes a lot of hard work to make these videos. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Then I have done till the respiration only, and the anaerobic and the aerobic respiration, which was taught by Samriddhi ma'am, and she literally made biology interesting. Like, her notes and her, especially her lectures, are so good. Like, she's the conversation she is having in between, I like it so much. And like, what are your opinions about biology? Please tell me. And that's all for today. I hope you like this vlog. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you in my next vlog. Bye.